Welcome, in front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 8, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into recovery mode and perform a cache wipe. So to get started, let's hold the power key and from there select power off. Once the device actually shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So if it would focus, there we go. Volume up right here and power, so basically the two closest keys, and you want to hold both of them till you see the logo BLACKVIEW like this, at which point you can let go. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, again focus, there we go. In this mode you will use volume keys to navigate. So volume up will go up and down will go down. Now the way it's right now in this portrait mode, this is the way it's gonna stay. It doesn't actually flip into landscape, so you kind of are stuck with using these keys kind of unintuitively. So just when you hold the device in landscape as it is shown right now, this is up, this is down, and that's kind of how it's gonna go through here. So up will go up and down will go down here. So that being said, you want to select wipe cache partition, which there we go, I just managed to select it by sheer luck, because as you just see it skips a bunch of them. So once it's selected, then press power key to confirm it, and again let's select yes, confirm that, and there we go, cache wipe complete. And all you need to do now is press power key once more to simply reboot the device. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.